Hi everyone, welcome back to our Dikratu channel. Thank you so much for watching. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel with press the bell icon button. In this video, we will be discussing top most important MCQs on appointments in 2022, part 2. Starting with very first question. Recently, who has been appointed as the new head of the Defense Intelligence Agency? Answer is Lieutenant General G.A.V. Reddy. Recently, who has been appointed as the Chairman of Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India or IBBI? Answer is Ravi Mittal. Recently, who has been appointed as the Director General of the National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology or NIELIT? Answer is Dr. Madan Mohan Tripathi. Recently, who has been appointed as the additional charge of the Controller General of Accounts or CGA? Answer is Sonali Singh. Recently, who has been appointed as the Chairman of LIC? Answer is M.R. Kumar. Recently, who has been appointed as the President of Italy? Answer is Sergio Mattarella. Recently, who has been appointed as the first female president of the Honduras? Answer is Xiomara Castro. Recently, who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Rummy Circle by Games 24x7? Answer is Hrithik Roshan. Recently, who has been appointed as the chairman of Pfizer India? Answer is Pradeep Shah. Recently, who has been appointed as the chairman of the University Grants Commission or UGC? Answer is M. Jagdish Kumar. Recently, who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Medibuddy? Answer is Amitabh Bachchan. Recently, who has been appointed as the Director of Defense Research and Development Laboratory or DRDL of the DRDO? Answer is G.A. Srinivasa Murthy. Recently, who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Uttarakhand? Answer is Akshay Kumar. Recently, who has been appointed as the managing director of Indigo? Answer is Rahul Bhatia. Recently, who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Bata India? Answer is Disha Patani. Recently, who has been appointed as the Norway's central bank governor? Answer is Jens Stoltenberg. Recently, who has been appointed as the director of the National Council of Educational Research and Training or NCERT? Answer is Professor Dinesh Prasad Saklani. Recently, who has been appointed as the chairman and managing director of the State and Career Shipping Corporation of India Limited or SCI? Answer is Captain Binesh Kumar Tyagi. Recently, who has been appointed as the Vice Chancellor of Jawaharlal Nehru University or JNU? Answer is Shanti Shri Dulapudi Pandit. Recently, who has been appointed as the Secretary in the Department of Financial Service in the Ministry of Finance? Answer Sanjay Malhotra. Recently, who has been appointed as the President of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India or ICAI? Answer is Debashish Mitra. Recently, who has been appointed as the additional charge of CMD of Power System Operation Corporation Limited or POSOCO? Answer is S.R. Narasimhan. Recently, who has been appointed as the interim president of Burkina Faso? Answer is Lieutenant Colonel Paul Henry Santiago Damiba. Recently, who has been appointed as the additional charge of Vikram Sarabhai Space Center or VSSC? Answer is Dr. S. Unnikrishnan Nair. Recently, who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Krishi Network? Answer is Pankaj Tripathi. Recently, who has been appointed as the chairman of the Staff Selection Commission or SSC? Answer is S. Kishore. Recently, who has been appointed as the executive chairman of Tata Sons Private Limited? Answer is N. Chandrasekharan. Recently, who has been appointed as the Chief Justice of the Madras High Court? Answer is Justice Munishwar Nath Bhandari. Recently, who has been appointed as the new president and CEO of Honda Cars India Limited or HCIL by Honda Motors Corporation Limited? Answer is Takuya Tusmura. Recently, who has been appointed as the Vice President of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India or ICAI? Answer is Aniket Sunil Talati. Recently, who has been appointed as the to chair the advisory committee set up by the Securities and Exchange Board of India or SEBI on Investor Protection and Education Fund or IPEF? Answer is G. Mahalingam. Recently, who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of A23? Answer is Shah Rukh Khan. Recently, who has been appointed as the CEO and MD of Air India? Answer is Ilkar IC. Recently, who has been appointed as the chairman of the Central Board of Secondary Education or CBSE? Answer is Vineet Joshi. Recently, who has been appointed as the brand ambassador for Khadi? Answer is Manoj Tiwari. Recently, who has been appointed as the president of Germany? Answer is Frank-Walter Steinmeier. Recently, who has been appointed as the brand ambassador for Thumbs Up? Answer is Shah Rukh Khan. Recently, who has been appointed as the new National E-Governance Division Chief? Answer is Abhishek Singh. Recently, who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Adidas? Answer is Manika Batra. Recently, who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Dish TV India? Answer is Rishabh Pant. Recently, who has been appointed as to chair the Alternative Investment Policy Advisory Committee or AIPAC set up by SEBI? Answer is N.R. Narayana Murthy. Recently, who has been appointed as the Board of Directors of the National Cooperative Dairy Federation of India or NCDFI? Answer is K.S. Mani. Recently, who has been appointed as the new chairman of the International Rubber Study Group or IRSG? Answer is K.N. Raghavan. Recently, who has been appointed as the full-time member of the Economic Advisory Council to the Prime Minister or EAC PM? Answer is Sanjeev Sanyal. Recently, who has been appointed as the Director on the Central Board of Reserve Bank of India or RBI? Answer is Sanjay Malhotra. Recently, who has been appointed as the MD and CEO of IDBI Bank? Answer is Rakesh Sharma. Recently, who has been appointed as the non-executive chairman of the Hindustan Unilever Limited or HUL? Answer is Nitin Parpanjpe. Thank you so much for watching. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel with press the bell icon button. Thank you so much.